Hello everybody. How is all? How is everyone doing? This is Tanushri going live today, and our session for today is Art of Indulging Kids with Art and Crafts with Shikha Mittal. So I'm waiting for all my friends to join in so that we can have a wonderful time today with Shikha Mittal. Hi Jasmine, thank you for coming on board. Thank you for watching us. So we already have a lot of people, and basically the lockdown and everything else with the kids locked in, there has been an increasing intent where parents have actually wanted their kids to be productive rather than watching TV all the time or doing nothing. So productive activities are always encouraged for kids, and most of the time these days kids are always into the screens where they are tied up watching nothing but YouTube or other things. The love for art and craft somehow is not that present in our kids, because the moms and the dads are very busy at this juncture. So our session today with Shikha will actually talk about how important it is for mothers, parents to actually get kids on board with art and craft, and why is art important and necessary. So we are waiting for Shikha, and here she is. Hi Shikha.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, I am good. Your camera is not positioned correctly, so we are missing out on your lovely face. Yes, now
Oh,
it's visible.
it's fine.
Yes, now we are able to see you. थोड़ा इसको
Okay.
adjust करो. So hello everybody, people who are joining in us. We have a session on art of indulging kids with art and craft along with Shikha Mittal, who has been an educator, a teacher for a long time. Before marriage, right Shikha? Or after marriage
So
also?
I was indulged with the studies and all after marriage also. I gave up teaching after my son.
Okay. So that's normal with all women, all of us leave our
Actually,
careers.
yes.
Yeah. All of us leave our careers for,
But something
the.
keeps stinging inside me to do something related to education. I don't know,
Ha.
something, keeps on pinching me ki you have to be inclined towards education.
Right,
So that
right,
brings me to do art and craft and stuff like that.
right, right. And let me introduce Shikha a little. We all already know her as, founder of Sat Sajja as well as
Yes.
Nutcut. And all her art
Yes.
and craft sessions go under Nutcut. So Shikha, why don't you tell, all our viewers a little about yourself?
Hi everyone, this is Shikha. I am founder of two brands, namely Satsajja and Nutcut, as Sanu already told you all. So under Satsajja, we are into designing of clothes for women, men, and kids of all ages and all occasions. Also, we do gold and floral jewelry manufacturing under the brand Satsajja only. Under my other brand Nutcut, we do conduct art and craft classes, summer winter camps. We do live sessions, and also we do like different kinds of activities related to art. Not only art and craft, but some of the other like candle making ho gaya. Like we have different type of stitches ho gaya, paintings ho gaya, some that kind of workshops.
Okay, okay. So where do you operate from, Shikha? कहाँ से operate करते हो
I
आप?
I operate from North Delhi. I have a center here.
Okay,
I do have a proper center for kids, for children.
ओके. सो शिखा, आप आपके मतलब आपका जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है उसका नाम नटखट ही है?
Actually, we are operating at the same building, both our brands, Satsajja and Nutcut. So the
ओके,
building is mostly known as by the name of Satsajja because it is an older brand. We
ओके,
operated from the same building. So yes, it's the same place
ओके,
by Nutcut
ओके.
and
Okay. Or Shikha, how many children can you accommodate at one time?
We can accommodate around 12 to 15 children at a time.
Okay, okay. And do you have other teachers also, or you only have, you only are teaching
We
them as of now?
currently only I am doing. We have different teachers for dance classes. We
Okay,
also conduct
okay,
dance classes during our camps. But
okay,
currently for the art and craft, only I am doing the art and craft classes.
okay.
This time
So, Abhi, during the
it was
lockdown, are
impossible
you
for us
taking?
to conduct due to the COVID outbreak. But yes, we
Right,
will be
right. I
sure
was coming to
in
that.
back with a
तो शिखा, अभी जैसे ये कोविड आउटब्रेक चल रहा है और देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ दीज वी आर ऑल लॉक्ड इनसाइड आवर होम्स, तो
yes.
हाउ आर यू डूइंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर योर किड्स?
I am not doing particularly the classes because kids already have a burden of online classes from school. But yes, I am
Right.
surely sharing some new crafting videos on my
Okay.
YouTube channel, in my WhatsApp group with my
Okay.
children and their parents. I'm sharing
Okay.
some new crafting. Almost, I try to do it almost every other day.
Okay.
Since now my workshop is open, so I have to give time there also. So yes,
Okay.
we are sharing new videos, new crafting techniques, and whatever possible with our children.
Okay, great, great, Shikha. So very nice initiative. How did you come up to do this thing? मतलब कहाँ से आया ये प्यार आपको बच्चों के लिए और ये आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट के
But
लिए जो आपका एक
see,
इंक्लिनेशन है?
I always, matlab, jab I was a young kid, I was studying myself. I always used to gel very well with kids, be it the kids of
Okay,
my cousins, my relatives, or anyone around. Kids used to gel up very fast, or you can say I used to gel up very fast. तो कुछ
right,
होता है ना बच्चों के साथ, you connect very easily. They're so
right,
innocent, they're so pure, their love is so
right.
pure now. And honestly, I was a very bad art student, let me tell you, during my school days.
Right,
Very bad, honestly.
right,
But as
right.
soon as I took up
ऐसा
teaching
कैसे
as a
हो सकता है,
career,
शिखा? How
it is
can
really
this be
hard to
even
believe,
possible?
but my schoolmates will surely tell you about this if they are watching the session. I was a very bad art student. I used to get my art exam done from my friend. यार थोड़ा सा बना दे, मैं at least B grade तो ले
Okay.
आऊँ. It was like
Oh
that.
God.
But
Okay,
as
that's
soon
funny.
as I took up teaching as a profession, as my career option, everything
Okay.
suddenly changed. I was creative. The creativity mein I used to do different types of packings, like gift packing ho gaya. Yeah,
Okay.
decor, home decor I used to make from lot of waste stuff. But art and
Okay.
craft was never my forte. Creativity
Okay.
I could do, but
Right.
when I chose up teaching as a profession,
Right.
I was automatically inclined towards art and craft, and my mentors helped me a lot. My art
Okay.
improved, and now I'm loving it like anything. I keep on searching new techniques, like new
Okay.
methods of doing paintings, drawings, and
Okay.
everything.
तो ये
So it's
मतलब
my career
टीचिंग
option that
टीचिंग
led me towards teaching, towards art and craft.
so teaching is I mean with teaching art and craft comes as a perk. Is that what you mean to say?
Actually, maybe yes.
Right, because I've
For
seen
me,
all the teachers are very inclined towards art and craft. और मेरे भी बच्चे के स्कूल में जैसे they used to give a lot of art and craft activities,
I
and I used
believe
to
art
always
and
think कि
craft
ये कहाँ से इनको आते हैं ऐसे ideas. The way और
Art and
बाकी जो
craft
parents
makes a
बनाते थे.
person very creative. I must tell
Right,
you, I was creative, but as soon as I got interested more and more into craft, I came up
right.
with new ideas. अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. It makes you thinking very innovative.
Right, right, right. So it actually enhances and boosts, that
Exactly,
innovation
exactly.
and out of the box thinking abilities for you, I think.
You can make your brain work non-stop when you are creative, when you are innovative. You can have ideas on anything and everything. I believe this.
Right, right. So, hello everybody, all the people who are joining us now. Hi Aarti, hi Smriti, hi Bhavna, and Raktima, Deepa, Barsha, Madhumita, and Nancy, Rupali. So many people there. Ritu, hi Ritu, hi Supriya, hi Raghu, hi Four Spices, and hi Jasmine. So thank you so much for joining us. We are here to discuss about art and craft and the indulgence of our kids into art and craft. How can we make our kids more productive during this lockdown? And we have our expert here, founder of Nutcut, who conducts a lot of
Hi
art and craft
everyone.
classes. Yes, so her name is Shikha Mittal, and she is here and she will guide us towards how to make our kids more productive while we are, on the lockdown zone where our kids are also locked down. And sometimes it's very overwhelming for us as parents to manage our kids, their expectations, give them time,
Absolutely.
and at the same time, do our chores and our work related things. सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर जॉइनिंग. सो शिखा, अभी हमने बोला कि आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट इनोवेशन को पैदा करता है. इट मेक्स आवर माइंड मोर
Absolutely.
इनोवेटिव. तो आपके हिसाब से इंक्लिनेशन बच्चों के लिए कौन से उम्र से सही रहता है फॉर आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट? मतलब
Tanu,
कितना?
there is
हाँ.
no specific age. As I already told you, I was a very bad art student. I was inclined after I chose teaching as a career path. And you know, a
Right.
very famous artist, Pablo Picasso, he once said,
Right.
every child is an artist. The problem is
Wow.
staying an artist when he grows up. You know, the thing is
Right.
that every child
Right.
is a born artist. I also believe we just need to give them space. We need to give them, time. उनको हमें
Right.
छोड़ना चाहिए. Normally हम mothers, what we do, we keep on nagging, यार पढ़ लो. No, this is not the way. Give them time, give them material, and let them explore their creativity. Do not hound
Absolutely.
upon them regarding any particular object or any particular subject. We should give
Hmm.
them their space, and you never know, a child may turn into Picasso one day.
True. True. Absolutely. So,
So I believe you should give children, colors ke saath you should never bound them.
right.
And there is no particular age. Art and craft can be done as soon as a child start crawling. We have
Hmm.
different age and we have different materials to work upon with kids or
Hmm.
alongside different age groups.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
for 1 to 3 years, we have different art and craft material. For the older ones, we have different, and for the tweens, we have different, which we will be discussing during the session.
Okay, okay. So, Shikha, I wanted to ask you that, since kids are locked down, or most of the times, they either end up with the tabs of their mothers and fathers, or, they keep watching TV and cartoons. So, बच्चों को कैसे productive बनाया जाए? क्या कैसे उनको वो उनमें वो interest? आपने भी बोला कि, we should give them that space, but sometimes it also gets
Yes,
on our nerves because, we cannot
it
end
does
up.
get.
We cannot end
See,
up asking
nowadays
him to.
kids are more
Yeah.
inclined into gadgets. They are more of like phones, gadgets, tablets. For my
Right.
son particularly, what I do, I encourage him for coloring apps. He download coloring apps. He download drawing apps. He loves to drawing on laptop also. We have shown
Right.
him the soft word wala drawing wala. What do you call it? I am just forgetting it. So usse they get
The
attracted
3D
towards the
paint,
art of
the 3D
coloring.
paint. Are you
3D
are you
paint,
mentioning?
actually, yes,
Right. Right. My son
very
also
nice.
does that.
3D paint,
Yeah.
yeah. Towards coloring, and get start with small books. We have books starting from the age group of 2.5 years. Because these book of fruits, vegetable, daily objects से related
Right.
books होती हैं. So you can give
Right.
them that, you can give them colors, and you can just let them do whatever. They don't tell them कि if it is an apple, you have to color it red only. No, let them
Right.
do. Just see how the mind of the child works.
Right. 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 सो शिखा, अभी ये बताइए कि ये जो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट के मतलब हाउ डज इट हेल्प द किड्स टू एनहांस देयर प्रोडक्टिविटी? मतलब कहाँ से आता है उनमें वो यू नो zeal to do productive things after once they have got inclined to art and craft? What does it does to us? How it grows the child from within.
See, first of all, art and craft is very essential. It develops fine and motor skills of a child.
Right.
For that, we really need to understand what is a fine motor skill. We have 5 stages of child development, and in which one of the stages fine motor skill. For
Okay.
that, fine motor skills are our fingers, our hands, small movements made by a child. Currently, we
Right.
are talking about a very, toddler, infant,
Right.
from 1 to 3 years of age. For this age
Right.
group, fine motor skill development, art and craft helps a lot in fine motor skill development. Their
Okay.
hands, their wrists. Might have noticed when a child enters a preschool, the teachers
Mm-hmm.
only give them crayons or maybe
Mm-hmm.
a water brush or just a plain sheet so that they can
Mm-hmm.
scribble. As we were talking about the how art and craft is essential. Firstly, we were talking about the age group of 1 to 3 years. During this age group, fine motor development is very, very important. You must have noticed the preschoolers, they are never asked to use a pencil or a pen. They're always
Mm-hmm.
asked to use crayons or, wax colors or maybe oil pastels, because they are very soft on your fingers, and
Mm-hmm.
the scribbling helps the movement of your fingers and the wrist, which is very
Mm-hmm.
important during this age group. So
Mm-hmm.
fine motor development is all really helpful. Art and craft is really helpful in fine motor development. Also, children learn to build up something. If you give a plain sheet to a child and you give him colors, any sort of colors, and you ask him to do whatever he wishes, you will always notice जो भी उनके mind में होगा ना, they'll put up on the sheet. Maybe if they're thinking about their family, they'll put on the figures, maybe random. इसमें we don't judge the drawing of a child, we judge the thoughts, what the child is thinking. And I have personally noticed whenever my son is in a bad mood, he will always use grays, blacks, browns, all the dark and
Okay.
shady colors. Whenever he's
Okay.
happy, whenever he wants to make a birthday card or something, very happy, happy mood, he always uses bright colors. So this is the
Okay.
personality trait of a child or a mental state you can also judge via art and craft.
Right.
Also,
Right.
art and craft boosts the self-esteem of a child, which is very, very
Right.
important these days.
Right. Right.
Self-confidence is built up with art and craft. If a child, whenever I would suggest to all the mamas watching here, whenever your child does art and craft, even if you don't like it, even if it is very bad, do appreciate whatever the child has made, and then उसके बाद प्यार से समझाओ बेटा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बनता है. If you will straight away say अरे ये क्या बनाया, this is very bad, it will have a very negative impact on the child, on his mind, कि यार मैंने तो इतनी मेहनत से बनाया है and mama is saying it is very bad. No, it will give a very negative input inside the brain of a child. So you should always appreciate whatever the child makes. What we do at our homes, my son have a habit of making cards, and we always keep those cards very, very beautifully. कि every year we show him कि ये देखो आपने last year ये बनाया था. So I have almost handful of cards made by him. Although they are nothing very good, very smart and very beautiful, but it is made by him. He has a very उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यार मेरा बनाया हुआ संभाल के रखा गया है. It gives self confidence, बहुत boost होता है बच्चों. And also there is
Right.
a very important thing, eye hand coordination. Art and craft improves the eye hand coordination. Or you can
Okay.
also say bilateral coordination. Bilateral coordination, I would want to explain a little. It is the working of both the sides of the body. Like if you are cutting using a scissor, you're doing a craft and you're using a scissor, you will hold a paper with one hand and you will hold a scissor with other hand. So child will learn to work with both hands simultaneously. So this also helps in the growth of a child.
Right, right. So very useful information there, Shikha. It actually makes us understand how the kids are actually overall growing with art and craft. A simple thing like art
Oh,
and craft,
every time.
even a
Even the
simple
older
thing like
kids,
coloring.
coloring is,
Yeah,
we say कि यार बच्चे कब तक coloring करते रहेंगे, but we tend to forget the coloring is very, very important at the age of 2.5 to 3 years. because वो जो fingers की development होती है, it is very important. You know, sometimes we observe some children don't have a very good handwriting. That is because they don't have a very good fine motor development. That's the main reason, because we tend to give them pencils or pen at a very early age, which is not at all right. You should not ask them to use pencil during a preschool. At least before 4.5 years, we should not allow our children to use pencils. Although schools do use them, but still you should prefer using crayons, wax colors, or things of that sort, which is easy to go.
Right. Actually, Shikha, while we are talking, I just wanted to also, ask you this: कि a lot of children these days suffer from some disorders, like one of them is called ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, and then many children at this point of time, maybe because their mothers and fathers do not have time for them, or maybe because they're too much into gadgets or too much into watching screens and YouTube videos which are all about fights and other things, they are more into that zone jahan pe they don't have that patience left in them. टीवी नहीं चल रहा तो चिल्लाना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, कि टीवी क्यों
Exactly.
नहीं,
I
अभी मेरा
can.
टीवी टाइम है, अभी मेरा टीवी क्यों नहीं आप चला रहे
This
हो,
is
और
this
उस
is
पे लड़ाई
because
कर
we
लेंगे.
this is because we as parents don't give time to our children. See, I'm also working, my
हाँ.
husband is working, but we make sure that we give, although my son, we couldn't give more time to him because we both are working. So what I do is I send my son to my mother's place where he gets proper
Okay.
attention for everything.
Right.
I have that, मेरे पास वो एक privilege है to send my son to his nani's house. So I am using that privilege so that he can get a proper environment of motherhood. एक बच्चे को अगर proper आप environment दोगे, तो why won't he develop? But some, everyone don't have that privilege. So I would advise to give proper time to children. And if you cannot, you please incline your your children towards art and craft, which is very important. जो उनकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन है ना वो कलर्स के थ्रू निकालने दो बच्चों को, बिकॉज अगर ऐसा नहीं
Okay.
होगा ना, दैट फ्रस्ट्रेशन विल टर्न इनटू एंगर इश्यूज, जो आगे जाके बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो जाते हैं. एंड सच you must have seen the movie of Amir Khan. There also the message was same. The Tare Zameen Par. Everyone must have
Right, right.
watched that
Beautiful.
movie. It has a very
Beautiful movie,
beautiful
yeah.
message that it is not
Right.
important for a child to be brainy only if he scores 100% or 90%. Your child can be a
Absolutely.
Picasso, yaar. You give him space, you give him his freedom of thoughts.
Right. Right, right.
और अगर बच्चा एक बार
So,
अपने आप को
so are
एक्सप्रेस
you
करना सीख गया,
are you
तो
suggesting कि आर्ट थेरेपी के थ्रू हम ऐसे बच्चों को
exactly,
we can
exactly.
manage their
Art
anger
is a
issues and other
therapy.
things?
Art is
Right.
a therapy, and also even if I am not in a good mood, I take up my son's coloring book and I do scribbling with colors, no matter what is the figure, what is the color. It releases a lot of stress and tension. Once you
Right.
scribble down na with colors, आपकी बहुत tension. Everyone must try this trick. I'm telling you, take a blank paper, take a coloring book, and just scribble down whenever you are in a bad mood. You will see you will be
Right.
released of tension, or maybe
Right. Right.
watercolor, whatever mode of coloring you have.
Right. We can also try the bookmarks. I did try the bookmarks with my son, the ones that Shikha had done with us in the last
Thank
live. So
you.
those were also wonderful, and my son really enjoyed. I'm sure many others who must have tried them, their children might have also enjoyed. So little
I
little
have,
tricks.
being inclined towards art and craft, experienced myself. Art, art
Right.
and crafting really relieves a lot of stress and tension from your life. I have experienced it personally. Art is
Right.
definitely a therapy to get relief from
Right.
stress, anxiety, from anger issues. And I must
Right.
tell you all watching here, give your child the colors. Whenever your child is in a bad mood, give him colors and sheet. He will come to know whether his mood is good or not. He will use the dark shade, I am sure. You can try this trick
Right.
with your children, and you can come to know whenever your child is in a good mood or a bad mood, and never stop them.
Right.
अगर वो कुछ भी करना
Right.
चाह रहे हैं, I'm saying things repeatedly, never stop a child from doing art and craft. Maybe you can tell him कि आप सिर्फ इतनी देर करोगे, because you know आजकल it's so competitive, we have other subjects to focus more on that. But yes, never stop them from doing art and craft.
So Shikha, somebody was asking, I think Seeman Sharma was asking on the live today that whether you have online classes and the age group that you cater to. So could you quickly tell that
Sorry,
to
I
our
didn't hear
viewers?
you. Sorry. Can you please repeat, Tanu? I didn't hear it.
Yeah, so Seeman Sharma asked that, you know, whether you are doing online classes and the age group that you're catering to.
Online classes currently we are doing for the age group up to 8 years, because for the older ones it is quite difficult for me abhi, because I have not done it. The craft for the older ones are little difficult ones, and so abhi we have not done it yet. But yes, we'll be working on it, and if there will be classes for older than 8 years, we'll surely let you know.
Okay, great. And you know, she has classes for 8 years, less people or children who are lesser than 8 years of age. Okay, so Shikha, आपने अभी बोला कि जो बड़े बच्चे हैं उनके लिए आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट अलग होता है, तो कैसा अलग होता है
Yes.
वो कुछ आप बताएंगी, दिखा सकती
Yes,
हैं हमें
sure.
कुछ,
I'll
या कुछ
surely
बता
tell you.
सकती हैं?
See, we have, when we talk about children, we categorize them into few categories, which goes like this: toddlers, which are 1 to 3 years old. Then comes the preschoolers, which is 3 to 5 years. Then comes
Okay,
the kindergartner, which is 5 to 7 years. Then the primary
okay,
school up to 10 years, and then
okay,
then the tweens, or like 10 to 12 years, and then 13 years plus the teenagers.
okay.
Teenagers, currently I see around my area or around myself, they are not inclined towards art. उन्हें लगता है यार art मतलब obviously ये चीजें हम parents ही उनके mind में डालते हैं, यार ये क्या सारा दिन art करते रहते हो, क्या होगा इससे, पढ़ो, be an engineer, be a doctor, or be something like this. So people don't understand you can have a career in art and craft also, which we will discuss for sure. For toddlers, now let's come to like what kind of art at what age group we can do. For toddlers, as I told you, fine motor development is very important during the toddler stage. So we have to give them the scribbling wala thing. We should emphasize more on scribbling with toddlers. So you should give them colors, blank sheets, and let them scribble. They won't
Okay,
learn anything, but yes, that would help them develop fine motor skills, which is very
okay.
important up to the age of 3 years. So you can, for like schools may we can start like preschoolers ke saath, we can start working with watercolors and hand printings. Kids enjoy a lot. Kids enjoy hand printing, impression printing a lot.
Okay.
So now we come to preschoolers. Preschoolers may the basic, the basic mantra should be learning by doing. So we should let them
Okay.
do. They will learn by themselves. तो प्री स्कूल में हम लोग रिकॉग्निशंस करवा देते हैं कलर्स की एंड शेप्स की. In the sorry, when the child is in a play school, normally we focus more on the recognition than the written part. So during the like primary stage, junior stage, when the kids in a nursery, KG, यहाँ पर we let them do. Like we ask them, we give a, what activity we used to do. We give them a bowl full of colors, and we ask them to pick up a color of apple. So they have to
Oh,
pick it up themselves. Then we ask them to pick
okay,
up a color
right.
of a mango, color of, pineapple. So like this,
Right.
they came to know of the colors. The main mantra is learning by doing. अगर हम उनको ऐसे ही दे देंगे कि this is apple is red, banana is yellow, that is the ratification process, which one day they will definitely forget. Definitely. So if we, adopt the technique of learning by doing, that will be imbibed in their brains forever and ever. And we can start with, and children at this age, as I told you, children are born creative and curious. It's just we have to collect their energies into a direction towards art and craft so that they can be more innovative and more creative. At the preschooler stage, they can start with a small paper crafts, paper folding, origami. We can start with poster paints, small art and crafts, small poster paints, and we can indulge them into hands-on fun activities like the one we
Hand
did
painting.
on the last session.
Right.
The hands-on fun activities should be encouraged more at a preschooler stage.
Okay.
Experiment with different materials, like we can use cottons, we can use popsicles, we can use different skills.
Okay.
Now, the next stage is pre-kindergartner. For 5 to 7 years, it is more or less same of a preschooler, but yes, we can use more, advanced material of like paints. We can use more advanced technique of paintings, and with more defined shapes and procedures, we can do art and craft.
Okay.
With more defined, more defined shapes, more defined patterns can be used for the stage of a kindergartner up to 7 to 8 years of age. But then we come to the primary school stage. Where, at this stage, we can use art and craft with different concepts. Conceptual based art and craft can be done at this stage, up to 7 to 10 years of age. Like, for example, let's take up an example of living and non-living things. We do this topic around third or fourth class. So we can do art and craft related to this topic. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? We are learning art and craft, and we are also learning the concept which is related to their education. So it's like that.
Okay.
We can use, and 7 to 10 years, we can ask the children to use, a little blunt scissors, not a sharp ones. They can do cutting easily. So which also enhances their skill of cutting and using a scissors. इससे क्या होगा? They will be more self-dependent and self-confident. Our next stages of a preteen or tweens, 12 years of age, we have to be more specific and pattern oriented with these kids. You can't give them crayons or you can't give them paint and to paint anything. These kids are more, आजकल तो वैसे ही कुछ ज़्यादा बच्चे intelligent होते हैं. So we have to give them conceptual based learning through art and craft, and we have to be more defined, and more options should be given for. We can start with canvas painting also at the age of 12 or 13 years.
Okay.
The last stage we have for the teens above 13 years of age, for the teenagers. Teens love to craft sometimes, but sometimes, they are constantly nagged upon by the parents to, study hard. You have a very, critical stage. आप 6th, 7th, 8th वाले stage में आ जाते हो. Keep on studying, but you should never do that, as I've already told you. But the crafts require more conceptualized and defined patterns. They should be like जो teens की art and craft होती है, there should be more of the part of their daily lives. For example, they can also use, for example, jewelry making can be done during the teenager. Jewelry making a very, आजकल काफी थोड़े टाइम से art of quilling is very famous among teens, and they are making wonderful pieces using quilling techniques. So that can be used, and also such techniques like quilling, they can also be used for fundraising projects. I've seen many teenagers, they are, conducting workshops on Facebook and Instagram. I do have seen some of them. They used to raise fund using such art and craft techniques, which is a very good idea. So
Right,
these
I
are
have
the
also seen a
stages
lot of
during.
children like that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Which is very
and
good
then
idea. You can raise funds for the needy ones or anything जहाँ पे भी आपकी inclination है. Using the art and craft technique, jewelry making can be done, home decor can be done. You can make Recently I've seen a video where a child, I think around 15 years of age, she was
Mm-hmm.
making footwears using stones, and she was fundraising the video. That was a
Okay.
fundraising video. And
Okay.
amazing footwears she was making. So,
Okay.
art and craft can be helpful like this also.
Yeah, yeah, true that, true that. And kids are very talented, and with the pool of
Very.
information that we have on the internet now, kids are more prone to that, and all the kids are digital at this point of time.
Exactly.
So, what digital
Exactly.
information say children are making a lot of better art and craft things. So, Shikha, there is one more thing कि हम आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ये तो हम जान गए हैं and people are also inclined to it, not only children but also elders are inclined towards art and craft for that matter.
Yes.
But why is there a reluctance in people to choose it as a mainframe career option for their kids? Why do people still
Art,
want?
I really fail to understand this myself because
Right,
I believe being inclined towards art and craft, you have a lot more career options than being a science or a commerce student. I
absolutely.
am a commerce student myself, but still I believe art and craft gives you immense options of a career rather than if you are a science student, you will either be an engineer or a doctor. Okay,
Hmm.
if you're a commerce student, you'll go for CA or you'll go for MBA, stuff like this. But art and craft doesn't have any boundaries. You can be
Hmm.
a art and craft teacher. You can be a digital animator. You can create your own, animation series. You can create your comic. You can be a writer. You can be a cake decorator. You can be a fashion designer. And I can keep on going with the career options with art and craft.
Right,
And I must tell
right.
you, being a fashion designer myself, a fashion designer can never be a good artist, but a good art and craft person can always be a good fashion designer if he just takes a little bit of senses of fashion. This is what is
Hmm.
happening with me. I had not done any, professional degrees for fashion designing. It's just my
Hmm.
interest towards clothing and my creativity, which has led me to be a fashion designer plus an art and craft influencer.
Right, right, right.
You need to be creative. Art and craft gives you creative wings, gives you innovation. And
Hmm.
the professions like makeup artist, like cake decorator, like fashion designer or graphic designer, what you need to have is creativity. No
Hmm.
one
Hmm.
is going to ask you your degrees until unless you tend to join a MNC. But if you
Hmm.
want to freelance in these careers, you need to
Hmm.
have a creative mind. That is it. And art and craft is the only thing that helps you being creative.
Hmm. Hmm. True.
So I would
So,
request all the parents watching us, please don't let your child deprived of art and craft. It's a very good career option as well. ठीक है पढ़ना भी जरूरी है but if your child is inclined towards art and craft let him or her be.
right.
Don't force
There
them
have
to be a doctor or engineer.
True, true. And not only this, if at all the parents are reluctant and they want their kids to pursue art and craft as a secondary option and not a primary one, it can also be an alternative career path for many
It
children once
can,
they grow
yes,
up.
yes,
है ना? I have
yes, it
because for
can be.
हाँ, especially for women, after going the family way, ये होता है कि what to do next. अभी फैमिली आ गया है,
Yes.
अभी हमको बच्चों को देखना है, तो ऑफिस नहीं जा सकते, तो what to do next. So these art and craft options only give us ideas to start off with something
Exactly.
creative and come up with our own
Art
ventures.
and craft not only for a child but for there is no age to get inclined towards art and craft. I have
Absolutely.
shared my personal experience, and I would also like to share, art and craft develop a feeling of, creativity, of discovering new things. When you do things by your own self, you end up
Right,
discovering something or the other new.
right,
You don't
right.
need to, for example, when you're working with poster colors, now you don't need
हाँ
to
जी.
learn कि black and white will give you gray. When you do it now, you end up discovering new colors. तो यू
Absolutely.
नो एक डिस्कवरिंग वाली फीलिंग भी आती है व्हेन यू डू आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट.
Innovation, invention, creation,
Innovation, invention, definitely, definitely.
imagination,
Everything
imagination,
you can get, exactly. Everything
right.
can be done with art and craft. Yeah, now it's audible.
Aishika? Haan.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sunita Khanna, ma'am. She says good topic chosen, and it's a very
Thank you, ma'am.
close
Thank
to
you so
her
much.
heart topic. So yes, ma'am, I know that this is a very close to your heart topic because having been a teacher herself at DPS Mathura Road, I understand your sentiments there.
Yes.
Shikha is also herself an educator. So, we have brought her about here for this session today about children. So, I think I was telling about, can you remind me what I was telling? Yeah, as being an artist myself, being a writer myself, I have seen this that कभी colors के साथ scribble करके मेरा imagination खुल जाता है, वो दिमाग की बत्ती जल जाती है, and then I
Actually,
also
I
am
told
able to
you,
write.
scribbling is without a doubt, activity which leads you, which makes you free of tension, stress, anxiety.
Right.
You become a happier person.
राइट राइट. सो शिखा, एक चीज बताओ, ये जैसे बच्चे हैं बहुत बदमाश हैं आजकल के बच्चे, तो मेरा बेटा कलर करते करते बोलता है कि मम्मा हाथ दुख रहा है, अब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप करो. तो
You ask him to
हाउ टू
relax for some time.
एनकरेज.
You give him pen. If he's doing it coloring with the crayons or sketch pens, you give him paints for some time. He'll
ओके.
enjoy it even more the next time.
ओके.
Give different
ग्रेट.
mediums of coloring to children. Don't stick to
राइट.
only crayons or oil pastels or just the paints. Give them different
राइट.
mediums to color. There are a hell lot of
राइट.
options available out in the world. You can give
राइट.
them whatever they wishes. I have a very bad habit of collecting colors and different whenever I go to any stationery shop, I become a kid myself. So my
राइट.
mother used to say me, "तू तेरे को रोकना इतना मुश्किल है, how I'm going to stop your child?" I keep on collecting colors, sketch pens, water brushes, and what not. So let them explore, let them do whatever they wish to.
राइट राइट. एंड व्हाट अबाउट एल्डर्स शिखा, जैसे बड़े लोगों को अगर शुरू करना है कुछ, तो कहाँ से वो एनकरेजमेंट लाए या एंथुसियाज्म लाए
Actually,
कि वो
Tanu,
भी
I
कुछ
told
शुरू
you there
करें.
is no. I I already told you there is no particular age to get inclined towards art and craft.
हाँ जी.
Even if people like you and me want to get started with art and craft, first you have
राइट.
to recognize what are the interests. If you are interested
राइट.
towards crafting, start crafting with small things. I have a YouTube channel, you can refer. There are many crafters out there, and it is not
एब्सोल्युटली.
important that you do only paper crafting or you have to just color or make paintings. क्राफ्ट का मतलब सिर्फ पेंटिंग करना नहीं होता, आर्ट का मतलब सिर्फ पेंटिंग नहीं. You can learn different techniques. Like we have decoupaging techniques are there. There is, painting with different objects. Like we do thread painting, we do cotton swab painting is there. We do, magic painting is there. This is for the kids. But yes, when the adults also want to start with art and craft, they can start with smaller techniques. There is a wax technique, there is Fevicol technique. Many techniques are there for starting with art and craft, and they can start with like home decor के लिए भी you can use waste material से you can make something. You have to आपको अपना interest पहचानना होगा कि where are you inclined towards. You are inclined towards colors or the materials. As in, you want to do color based crafts or the material based craft. The difference is color based crafts में आप paintings कर सकते हो, आप sketching कर सकते हो. Material based में आप techniques use कर सकते हो. Like we do
ओके.
paintings, we make paintings using pom pom balls. We make painting using pulses. We make painting using matchsticks. Popsicle art is there. Then we have dry fruit art is there. Lot of options are there. So that is
ओके.
upon
राइट.
you. How do you want to start? How an individual want to start?
Right. So, what is your recommendation as a, art and craft educator? कितने घंटे दिन में एक बच्चे को बिताना चाहिए doing art and craft?
See, ideally, owing to the competition we have nowadays regarding the studies, I would say at least an hour should be given to art and craft, which not only make your child creative and innovative, but also refreshes him from the monotonous study that is being done. आजकल तो वैसे भी online studies हो रही है. Children are tend to get bored very easily. It is very difficult to make them sit at a place.
हाँ
The
जी.
older ones still are able to do, but the young children like the age of 7 to 8 years, unko bithana is very difficult in front
हाँ
of the
जी.
laptop and make them study. So I would
Right.
suggest half an hour to 1 hour should be given to your children for art and craft, so that they get उनको ना refresh हो जाए वो, because we cannot send them out to play. So art and craft is a
Absolutely.
very good option during these COVID times, COVID era, to make your child relieve and refresh, so and he can create whatever he wants to, he or she wants.
And कौन सा time अच्छा होता है शिखा? मतलब is it in the afternoons or is it in the mornings? When
See,
is it?
Tanu, I would say there is no particular time of doing art and craft. जब भी आपको लग रहा है, like see, आजकल बच्चे घर पर है. Whenever you see वो distressed है, they are not in a mood to study. और कई बार मतलब ऐसा होता है कि every time they cannot watch the televisions or gadgets also. If they are distressed, they are tired, ask them to do art and craft. Now they'll feel refreshed. There's no particular time, I would say. Whenever the child
Right.
feels he wants to do art and crafts, he wants to indulge himself with colors, let him do that.
Right, right. So people who are watching Mittal here, and we are discussing about art of indulgence into art and craft for our children. In case you have any questions, we picked up a few today. In case there are any other questions, please drop in now, because Shikha will be here for another 5 minutes. After which, we will be off for today's live, from today's live. So Shikha, while you are still here, any tips, anything else, any information that still remains and you want to cover?
I would surely want to say, some of the mothers, they ask me, how do we introduce to a toddler, like to a small child, how should we introduce in art? So, very basic thing that should be done is introduce art and craft via a story.
Okay.
Children are very fond of listening to stories. So we should
Right.
introduce, every mother knows the favorite story of their child. So pick up
Right.
any favorite story, create an art according to it. Like if you are like, अगर मुझे इस time एक story Greedy Dog की, if you people know the story of Greedy Dog, and if your child likes that story, you make a cutout of a dog. You just draw एक पुल आप बना सकते हो, crossing bridge on the river. Just make him do that story using actions and those cutout and pictures. That's
Okay.
the best way to introduce art and craft to your child at a very small age, and
So
at
the
the later
cutouts will
stages of childhood. Yes,
the cutouts will the baby and the mother will do the cutouts together.
yes, it is very
Okay.
important to involve your kids while you are preparing something for them. Do involve them with you. It is very, very important, because they learn.
Right.
As I already told during the session, they learn by
Right.
doing.
Right.
Involve them with yourself while you make cutouts,
Right.
and cutouts can be made on using sticks, using finger
Right.
puppets can be used. You can use sticks,
Right.
puppets. That comes very handy.
Okay. Okay. So it can
And
be
at the
kind
later
of a
stage, we can recognize the interest of a child, and accordingly we can
right.
introduce different art, crafting techniques, painting techniques, as we've already discussed.
Right. Right. So it is basically a storytelling come an arty and crafty show for the toddlers.
Exactly,
Yahi bola
exactly,
आपने.
that's the
Right.
best way to
Right.
introduce art and craft at a very early age.
Right. Right. So Shikha, by when are you planning to launch your program for elder kids?
We are working on it. Let's see when it happens. Fingers
Okay.
crossed.
Okay.
As soon as
And
possible.
are you operational now? It is lockdown, so I'm sure you're not operational, Abhi. By when are you
We are
planning to
operational
operate?
online.
Huh.
We do make videos on. We do share videos on YouTube. But since it's
Right.
it's little scary out there. So even
Hmm.
being a mother myself, I won't send my child to a center to learn art and craft or anything else. So I would
Hmm.
expect. I also expect the same from other mothers. So I don't.
Right.
I am not conducting sessions right now at my
Hmm.
center
Hmm.
owing
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
the situation outside. But yes, we are
Right.
sharing YouTube videos.
Right.
We are doing online sessions like one we have done with Winning Spree last week. I hope
Right.
to get more
Right.
sessions done in the coming weeks.
Right, right. Sure, Shikha. One more thing. How are you working on the sanitization progress? Because जब सब कुछ खुलेगा,
Yes,
people will look forward.
we are working with our Satsaja brand is working. Our workshop is open, and we have taken care of all the precautionary measures as told by the government. Every packet that goes outside is being sanitized. We are using
Okay,
spray sanitizers. Like I can show you one here. We are using
okay.
spray sanitizers to sanitize our packets.
Right,
Masks are very important. My mask is over here with me. We are
right,
making matching masks with our outfits,
right, right. And washable
and
masks, I'm
we are,
sure.
yes, washable,
Yeah.
reusable,
Art,
washable sanitization for our doors and our table chairs.
right, right,
Proper
right, Shikha.
precautions are being taken care of. Even for the employees, masks are very important.
Right,
Sanitizers are very important.
right, right. So Shikha, it was lovely having you today on board. Um, the
Same here.
session, the session was on board. Um, the
Same here.
session, the session was very insightful. Apologies for the technical glitches in between with the network,
That keeps on
but
happening.
that's
No
part and
issues.
parcel of the live shows. But it was very nice having you on board and very nice to have interacted with you over tips and tricks on art and craft for children and how important it is for their productivity levels, how important it is for their overall growth. So thank you, Shikha. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you so
here.
much, Tanu. It was a equal pleasure for me to be, live on Winning Tree and discussing the art and craft. I hope the session turns out productive for the mamas watching out here.
It will absolutely be productive. A lot of people have already complimented on the show itself. So people are watching as we speak, and people are actually finding it very helpful for their kids. So thank you again, Shikha, there for
Thank
all
you,
your
Tanu. It
help on
was a
this
pleasure
topic.
for me.
Yeah. And thank you so much, everybody, for joining us today and encouraging Shikha and myself on this live show. It was wonderful and insightful to have Shikha here. We got a lot of information, and anybody who has missed the live, it will be up and running on Facebook and will also be uploaded on our YouTube, which is Winning Spree. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Winnings 3 YouTube channel as well as Shikha's YouTube channel for more
It
crafty
is
and art indulged ideas. What
my
can you just
YouTube
give your
channel
YouTube?
goes by the name Creative Hub by Shikha. Do subscribe for all the crafting videos for all age groups.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you again. Thank you, folks. Thank you, Shikha.
Thank you, Tanu.
Bye.
It was
Signing
a
off.
pleasure being here. Bye.
Pleasure was all mine, Shikha. Bye.